Is it what I said? I'll just repeat again. Okay, so few days ago, Sister Moji Danosa made a post, hope I got that name right, on her Facebook, because we're following each other on Facebook. By the way, she's my big sister, and I mean, people that know her know she doesn't carry fake news. So where she posted that the husband, that Bcuz actually asked the first wife to move back to Nigeria with the kids, and she refused. And so he's been traveling back and forth, and I think the man just got tired and said, hey, okay, maybe I should just get a second wife. And for me, I don't think there's a big deal there. Like I said earlier, the man is a Muslim. He's entitled to 4 wives, and he's at number 2. What's the first? If you marry a Muslim, just have it in the back of your mind that he will marry a second wife, a third wife, and a fourth wife. Even some Muslims say they marry up to 6, 7, 8. We know of somebody who says he's a Muslim who has 6 wives, even though one of them is chasing the rest out, according to the news, so according to social media in-laws. I don't know how true that is. Now, you don't want to come back. You don't want your husband to marry a second wife. And maybe the truth of the matter is that we don't even know if this woman is even angry of anything, because she hasn't really said anything. Why are we drinking Panadol in somebody else's headache? See, let me just quickly put it out here. I'm a very jealous lover. I cannot stand a man that will cheat on me. But if you are a Muslim and you take a second wife, that's not cheating. That's what your religion permits. Let me tell you guys a short story. Few years ago, when I was still a girl, there's this man I was dating. He's a Fulani man. I won't call his name. Very nice. We loved each other so much. He wanted us to get married, but I told him I was still going to be chasing my career as an actress. And he's very happy for me today where I'm at. And I am so happy for him. We're still friends. Very good friends. But one of the reasons I didn't marry him was not just because of my career. It was because I was afraid that since he's a Muslim, he will marry 3 wives after me. He promised he was going to marry only me. But like I said, always have it in the back of your mind that he might marry somebody else. I didn't believe. So I just put everything on top of my career and I moved on. By the grace of God, my life has turned out good. His life has turned out good. He married somebody else. They had 3 children. And after some years, the woman died. By the way, he married, the reason I'm talking about this story, he married only that woman till she died. After she died, a few years later, he married another woman. Now, what am I getting at? Some Muslims will marry you and marry only you. Some will tell you they will marry only you and they will keep to their promise. Some will tell you they will marry only you. Before you know what is happening, Jack Robinson, they will marry another person, and marry another person, and marry another person. But because of the fear in my heart, I never believed he was going to marry only me. So I refused to marry him. So what am I trying to say? That you think that a Muslim will marry another wife after you, even he has promised you, does not mean you shouldn't marry him. If you really love him, marry him. And if he marries another wife, come on. You will marry Muslim before, no know wetin they marry. So always have it in the back of your mind that as it is sweet, if it bitter later. And the life is not so difficult though. We are the ones that are making it difficult. Like I said, if you marry a Muslim, from beginning, you know he will take a second wife. So be prepared. And if it happens, fine. If it doesn't happen, your luck. Why is it that anytime it happens, it becomes a problem? Even some Christians are supposed to be marrying 1 wife are marrying 2 wives, 3 wives, 6, even 10 wives. My father is a Christian. May he so rest in peace. He didn't marry only my mom. In fact, at some point, my mother went to marry a woman and paid her dowry for him. So some people can take it, some can't. But if you really want to enjoy your life and have your peace of mind, when things like this happen, remove your face. It's not everything that you cry about. It's not everything you make a fuss about. Some of you are saying, you are not even talking about the fact that he married him. That you are talking about that he married the friends. Mercy said the woman is not her friend. And that the man is not Gentry's friend. Abi na una go come know them pass her. Abi know themselves pass each other. Gentry made that post of that picture because he wanted to be mischievous, and look at how he ended. They dragged his son into it. Some people are now demanding for DNA. Some people are now saying that the boy resembles Adekas. That is exactly what he got. Then he now came out and made a post. Oh, his son is his son 100%. Onpe, why you no wait make them drag your son well make you see as they be? Some of you just think that you just bring things to social media. Let me tell you, anything you bring on social media, you might think the result will work in your favor. Before you know it, to start turning around. Now they are bringing the innocent boy into the whole mix. That is the part I don't even like at all. So you people should just let us have some peace. Everybody has made a post on this Mercy's matter, analyzing the analyzing. All those people are analyzing and making fuss. If you really go and look at it, they are dating married men. Yes, they are dating married men in secret. Then you now come out and you are shouting foul. If that married man you are dating today just tell you, say, I want to marry you, won't you jump and marry him? See them now. You will jump and marry him because the man has not asked. That is why you are still doing it in secret. And then you will have a reason to justify it. I go to parties a lot. People snap pictures with me. There are some people that I have said, Queen, snap with me that I don't know from Jack. But they know me and they take pictures with me. So if my man is with me and they say, let's take picture, and he's sitting, I say, honey, let's join the picture. And we all take this picture. And tomorrow, you now see that I break up with that man and I marry the man in that picture. You will say I'm the wife friend. How? People should stop this now. Wish them luck and move on. Now your husband then collect. I mean, why the thing come pepper you too much like this? And I saw one woman who made a video and she was saying all actresses are like that. And before she now changed it to most actresses are like that. Mercy Johnson took somebody's husband. This one too. Let me tell you, all people are losing their husbands every day, not just to actresses. If you know how your husband where person go collect them. Yes, people are losing their husbands every day. People are divorcing every day. People are getting married every day. That is life. As people they wed, now so some they divorce. There are people in marriages that are having fun, that are enjoying their life like they, oh my God, the married life is sweet. And there are some in their marriages that are in hell. They wish they never got married. There are some happy single people and happy married people. So if you feel that you're going to be married and be happy, hey, why not? And if you feel staying single makes you happy, why not? At the end of the day, what should matter to us is happiness. It is better to be a happy second wife than a sad first and only wife, to be honest. How many years will they spend for this world sef? Where person go come carry sadness till one day go sleep, you no go wake up. Do you know that as you are watching this video, tomorrow you might just sleep and not wake up? Our life is in the hands of God and nobody knows when he will take it. We spend a lot of times talking about nonsense things, dwelling in rubbish and all of that. I do relationship counseling. I know what messages I get, phone calls I get. Few days ago, a woman called me from Ghana. She's a Nigerian, married to an Edo man. Crying like crazy. She has 3 children. Crying like mad. This woman has been married to this man for about 9 years. They have 3 children. This man started beating her 3 weeks after their wedding. This man told her that as an Ishan man, that when you marry an Ishan man, you don't see your family. That is a lie, a big lie. My son is Ishan, so I know them. A very, very big lie. This man kept this woman away from the family till the mother died. As at the time the mother died, she couldn't even come back to Nigeria to bury the mom. She had to just send money because according to her, she was heavily pregnant. Can you just imagine? Because of the man's insecurity, this man will call her so many names. You be person, see as he be like goat. These are diminishing things. Beating her. And I told the woman, I said, look, let me tell you all these things that you have analyzed to me. The only thing that you need to do is to divorce that man. Because one day he will hit you and you will die. And you have daughters. They will be seeing their father beating you like this. One day a man will start beating them. They will not talk because they think it's a normal thing. And that's one thing we should also understand. We are our children's first role models. It is what they see all the time that they will think is the right thing. Take these children out of that toxic home. And he said that, oh, I said, okay, fine, take the man to the police. Let him even sign undertaking. He said they are taking the man to the police before. The man still continued the beating. So there's no solution in the man's case. Every small thing is beating. Every small thing is beating. Parent of children. And then tomorrow, if that one leaves that man now and marries a man that maybe you people saw them in picture together, that can make her happy, you now say marry the best friend. How you dey there? That people are in the picture doesn't mean that they know each other, they are family friends. You people that are writing all these things, talking all these things, some of you are dating your sister's husbands. Some of you are sleeping with your best friends, boyfriends, and husbands. Because now the one way come out, now we dey talk. Some of you, because you are not celebrities, you are doing 1 million things. And because you see small thing a celebrity will do, because the celebrity boom is in the whole world. People are making Mercy more popular. At least she has been in the news for the past how many days. She also called into your view and told them that these people, Gentry and Adekas, are not friends. People are still going under that place to write, why are they in the same picture? Why won't they be in the same picture? Una dey mind una business. This is 2022. Get a life, get a job. Come on. All these social media witches, una don too much. Una no get life. If una just buy one phone, boom, like this, now right, una go just dey write. I like myself. You come to my post and comment nonsense, I ban you from my page. I block you from social media completely. You will not see me. I will not see you. People should get a life. Oh, this is not right. Free this woman. Let her enjoy her honeymoon. The first wife knows saying husband a Muslim before he marry her. So if you don't want to have a second, don't marry a Muslim. All of you that don't even want to have a second wife, una born girls everywhere. Who go marry una children? Now few boys there now. You see that they will born 10 children. Only 2 are boys, the rest are girls. Who will marry them? No. Who will marry them? Then you don't want the people that are entitled to marry for marry. You want to marry only you. 2 years ago, 3 years ago, that was how one Muslim woman killed her husband. Why did she kill her husband? Because he saw a message in the husband's phone by another woman. He killed this man. They passed judgment. I think they sentenced her to death. It was a news that was everywhere. And the most annoying part is that the man is a Muslim. She is even a second wife. So what right does she have to kill her husband because he saw a message from another woman when she is a second wife? It's hypocrisy. Do you understand? It's being two-faced. You are a second wife, another woman welcomed you to that home. Because if that woman did not welcome you, she would have killed that man. You say for no see and marry, so you go born. Because as at the time they sentenced her, she had a baby on her. A little baby. Some people were saying, because of the baby, they should forgive her. Because of the baby, they should forgive her for what? So the man is not somebody else's baby. You don't know that the man did not fall from heaven, a person born her. That person born her. When you marry a man, they didn't sell that man for you. They did not sell that man for you. Then what right do you have as even a Muslim woman to kill your husband because you saw a message from another woman and you are a second wife? Come on, let's call a spade though. All this nonsense no funny again. If it's a Christian that married a second wife, say, we go even agree, say make una dey talk, make we hear. Come on. We don't want to change their religion for them. All this holier than thou attitude will no get head. And then I think I saw something else. Let me even just talk about it in this video. Some people can lie, sha. You know, you people just follow social media zoom like fools. Sometimes you follow the things that people are posting. You don't even know that your life is better than a lot of people. I saw one post that one person was, I don't want to mention his name because I don't want to promote him, was saying that they stole his ashwebi. That's why he postponed his housewarming. Come on, the ashwebi, was it custom made? Was it customized for her? If it was customized for her, nobody would have been able to use it. All this lies too much. And some people would think they are not doing well. They won't know that they are even doing more than celebrities. All this thing are audio na wash. The other one came out to say that the house that she said she built with 500 million, she didn't need it. She just built it to shut people up. And you believe that? Really? The house is not even up to 500 million. Anyway, I saw the video. If that house too cost, you know, reach 60 million. I calculate them. Yes, I take my time calculate them when I hear 500 million. 500 million no be beans. Then she wanted to spoil the whole matter. She said that she can show us how she was sending money to the roofing person a bit to Wetin. That sometimes she will send 200,000.